going on here?
I caught 2 butterflies. There's one right here.
Right. Where's he at?
Oh my gosh.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's flying around Lane.
I have one right
Hold on,
here.
hold on. Don't, just let him land. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Another one.
Are they both out?
Yeah. One is over here.
Let him fly around.
Oh my gosh. I want to see if he'll land on the camera. Chopper! Oh my gosh.
Hey, where's the other one? Oh, look at Chopper. Look at. Oh, don't let him eat it though.
He got it.
Oh, Chopper. Get it, Lane. Get it, buddy.
I got it.
Let me see. You got it? You got it. Oh, don't let him go.
There you go.
Look at, they're flying together.
This one's on the ground. This one's on the ground. I'm flying on the ground.
Get him.
Betsy.
I don't know.
Hey, I think they're here. I know that this one's Betsy.
Look at, you guys both got him. Okay, don't, come on. Hold, you guys, are you guys doing that on purpose?
No. That one's name is Betsy. Betsy, get back here. Number 2, get back here.
Oh, get
Number 2. The other one.
Did they both go back there?
Yeah.
Chopper. Where's the other one?
Oh, it's on my dress.
Okay,
Nope.
is it?
One on the floor, one on.
Get it, Lane.
This one's number 2.
Okay, let's hold on to him this time.
Oh my gosh. Number 2.
Oh, wait, Lace, right behind you.
Number 2. Oh, number 2 just landed right on me.
Okay, hold on to it, all right? Lane, come on, buddy, get it, and let's hold on to it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't do that. Too close. Oh. Hold on.
It's on the camera.
Oh,
Chopper.
good stuff.
No. Look at that.
That's
you see
cool.
me?
I sure can. Hey, Lane, come here, buddy. Oh, he's on the string. Hold on. Let's see if we can show him. It's on the string of the camera.
It's on my arm. It's on my arm. Hey!
Where'd it go?
On the couch. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this. Hold on.
Oh my
Look at me,
gosh.
Pumpkin.
It itches.
Look at me.
Oh my gosh.
That's funny.
I think this is Betsy. Lane, is that Betsy? Let me see Betsy.
Oh, you got? Okay.
Yeah, that's Betsy.
Hold on, let me see this guy.
Betsy!
Get him. Hold on to it now.
Number 2
that one's still...
and Betsy. This is number 2. Oh my gosh. This one's still on my head.
Let me see close.
I'm gonna go look in the mirror.
Lane. There's money. Is it? Okay, hold on. Is that Betsy?
Betsy!
Oh, it just landed on me.
Okay. It's still on my head! It's still on my head!
Don't let Chopper get it.
He'll eat it. No. I got number 2. Betsy's right there. Betsy!
Go, get it, Lane. Get it. Go. Get up there now.
Betsy! Number 2. Betsy.
Okay.
Now
all right, let's put him in.
Oh my gosh.
Chopper, be nice. Be nice, buddy.
Nice to the butterflies. The fly.
Okay, now seriously, hold on to him this time. We got to get him back in. Come on. They are tired. Come on, pal.
Ah! Put him on the flower. I got one. I got Betsy.
Okay, put him in here.
Oh!
Come on now.
Number 2. Betsy.
Put him in. Don't let him go, dude. Put him in. There you go. Oh, that sure was fun. Zip it up, Pumpkin. Hey guys, look at me.
Butterfly.
Hey, hold on.
Butterfly
Oh, wait,
attack. Fly out and
Is that cool or what?
Yeah, butterfly.